calling all cooking enthusiasts and busy homemakers. The Bare food processors are here to revolutionize your kitchen experience and transform the way you prepare meals. With its multifunctional capabilities and powerful 800 watts motor, this food processor is the efficient kitchen helper you've been longing for. No more dreading the chopping, mixing, shredding, or slicing tasks in the kitchen. The Bare food processor is equipped with an impressive 800 watts motor that delivers exceptional performance. You'll have adjustable low and high speeds, as well as a pulse function for precise control whenever you need it. From simple meal prep to complex recipes, this food processor effortlessly handles it all. Here are the key features of Bare food processors: 800 watts multifunctional vegetable chopper and meat grinder, generous capacity and wide feed chute, effortless processing. With its spacious 7-cup bowl, the Bare food processor offers ample capacity to handle various tasks, whether you're whipping up small batches of baby food or a bowl full of ingredients for a family feast. Plus, the wide feed chute eliminates the need for constant reloading, allowing you to process larger foods like a whole block of cheese with ease. Say goodbye to tedious pre-cutting and hello to effortless processing. Versatile accessories for creative cooking. The Bare food processor comes with an array of versatile accessories to cater to your diverse culinary needs. The stainless steel S-knife takes on tough ingredients and meats, while the plastic S-knife is your go-to for making dough. Additionally, the included disc is perfect for grating vegetables and slicing cheese, among other uses. These accessories provide the flexibility to perform a wide range of food processing tasks, making your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. Effortless cleaning and compact storage. We understand the importance of convenience in the kitchen. That's why the Bare food processor is designed with easy cleaning and storage in mind. Its detachable parts and modular design ensure a breeze when it comes to cleaning. Simply disassemble, wash, and reassemble for the next use. This practical appliance won't take up much counter space or clutter your kitchen cabinets, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen appliances. Unlock the true potential of your culinary skills with the Bare food processors. From novice cooks to seasoned chefs, everyone can benefit from its efficiency and versatility. Say goodbye to time-consuming food preparation and welcome a new era of creative cooking. With the Bare food processors by your side, your kitchen adventures will be seamless and enjoyable.